Hey, we're in Aspen and we just wrapped up the panel on brain-computer interfaces. I think what was interesting was talking about the immediate need for brain-computer interface in people who have severe injury or disease, especially paralysis, restoring autonomy and agency. And then talking about where the technology is going beyond that. So we talked about 3 phases where there's this initial phase of severely impaired people, moving towards a next phase where the BCIs can be available for maybe more mild or moderate type conditions. And then what's going to happen after that, we don't know, but we talked a bit about how the brain is this incredibly powerful organ. The digital ecosystem around us is growing at an exponential rate, and we all feel that our body is having trouble keeping up. So the BCI holds itself out there in the future as a potential way to continue to improve our ability to express ourselves, engage with each other, and engage with the digital ecosystem that we're building.